stopped in Statesville for you when I could have driven straight through, but the call from the exit was loud and I gave in, too proud to be scared by the boom. I stopped in Statesville for you. They tore down the high school last year, and the line between fiction and fact isn't clear. Someone told me old Dooley was hung on the hill. You can't always believe what you hear. They tore down the high school last year. Smile and leave Carolina alone. Leave Carolina alone. But I stopped in Statesville for you when I should have driven straight through, but the call from the exit was loud and I gave in, too proud